A message from Compton. Let's check it out.
Hey, Uncle Spencer. It's Erin and Ricky here. We're just hanging out with a bottle of Campari, thinking about making our traditional Negroni, but we thought that maybe you'd have a better idea of something we could make that's festive and yummy. Wake up. Let us know. Cool. Thanks. Bye.
Thanks, Erin. Campari. We use Campari a lot. We will use Campari a lot. Campari is super useful. It's also delicious. Good for spritzes, good in the summer, good in the winter in a Negroni, like you said. A Negroni is kind of for me, like the alpha cocktail. Equal parts, easy to make, a lot of interchangeable ingredients. You can really kind of roll with the framework of a Negroni and make it your own. We had made a Negroni with mezcal a couple episodes ago. That was fun, so you can do that too. So that's one suggestion, Erin, make a mezcal Negroni. Go a couple episodes back. That's one suggestion. Another suggestion for you, should we discuss what this is? Do we not know what Campari is? Campari is, it's Italian. It's a liqueur, it's an aperitif, it's low ABV. It is made from the infusion of herbs and fruit. It's bitter. Not super like make your face smell bitter, but it's not. Its red color suggests that it would taste like the color red. It does not, if you know what I mean, like a red lollipop. So that's Campari. And she makes a Negroni with it, which we've discussed. So I was trying to think of a good drink for Erin. Hardworking mom of a human person and Ricky. So I made a drink for her called Leave Mommy Alone. This is kind of like a Negroni, except we're going to serve it up. It's kind of like a Negroni in that it is 3 equal parts. So let's make this drink. In our shaker full of ice, please add the following ingredients. 1 ounce of Campari. 1 ounce of gin. We're going to use Bombay Sapphire today. And 1 ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice. Stir until cold, because we're serving up, as I said. Let's grab ourselves a coupe glass. Strain. It's gonna be an awesome color. Yep. Orange juice plus Campari. And then we'll garnish with another orange wheel. So it's kind of like a Negronatini, I guess, in a way. Except we're not using the sweet vermouth, we're using juice instead. I'm just gonna float that on top. Whoop. That looks like the kind of drink that if somebody ordered it at a bar, a bunch of people would order it afterwards because it looks good, looks refreshing. Something about a pink drink. Don't know what it is. Let's have a sip. I don't know what you're looking for in a cocktail, but I know what I'm looking for, and I'm not going to look any further because it's all here. Gin, my favorite spirit, other than bourbon, but of the clear spirits. It's nice and strong, has a sharp flavor. It's great. The Campari, like I said, is bitter. But super flavorful. Fresh OJ. Do I need to explain that to you? Probably not. But it's all just, everything's staying out of everyone's way. Hanging out. It's not too sweet. That's another thing on the show. I'm not a huge fan of sweet drinks. Sorry, sweet drinks. But yeah, this has been the Leave Mommy Alone. And this has been Happy Hour, brought to you by Maine Spirits. You can learn more about this drink and many other drinks at mainspirits.com. You can download their app for your smartphone, which is a smart move. What to buy, where to buy it, and what to do with it once you get it. or you can follow them on Instagram at Maine_spirits. But as always, we implore you to drink deliciously and responsibly.